Hey, what's going on, everybody? So, just want to say the reason why I haven't been uploading a lot or nearly as much as I used to is because I've just been super busy with school, track, and work. Full-time student. I am a senior in high school, so I'm at school from 7 to 3 every day. And then I also have track now, so right after school till about 5 o'clock, I'm at track practice, and then I got work 6 to 9 like every day. So today's President's Day. We had no school today. I practiced in the morning. I don't work today, so I'm gonna make an unboxing video for you guys. So what I got here is I got some Spec D tuning black housing headlights, and I'll just go ahead open these up. I had to open them right when I got them because I was just so impatient. But it just comes with some instructions, and then just comes with 2 foam things. So get that out. Set that there. So move this box out of the way. So here are the headlights. Like I said, I got black housing headlights just because I didn't like the chrome look, and I just wanted new headlights. So I'll go ahead and open these up. I'm going to keep the layer of plastic on here. I don't really want to take them off just because I don't want to risk scratching them. So they're way bigger than I would have thought that they were. On the car they obviously look small, but these are huge. Black housing, literally brand new. This is like the first time I'm actually looking at them. I opened the box, but I haven't taken them out yet. Yeah, the quality is super nice. Again, Spec D tuning makes these. So I'm getting the BN style front bumper, and then I have the all black Altezza front grille. I'm gonna put these in, and I also got fog lights too. And I kind of matched them the same way. I got black housing fog lights. And yeah, these are super nice too, actually. Damn. So you can see all black with the clear plastic, and then I got, oh, I forgot to grab it, like the highest yellow color you could get, like the highest voltage. So these are gonna be super yellow with these, so that's gonna look super dope. And my ballast went out on one of my headlights on my car. And I've already replaced the bulb. I didn't do anything, but so now I know that it's the ballast that went bad and not the bulb that burnt out. So I got this LED conversion kit by JDM A-Star. Heard a lot of super good reviews on these, so I went ahead and got these. Picked these up for I think $65 on Amazon. These headlights were $150, and then the fog lights, these fog lights were $80, I think, on Amazon. So everything I got was from Amazon. So yeah, super cool. They have like a little fan on the back for like cooling, just your normal LED, except with the app I can actually change the color of them too, which is super cool. Like for car shows and stuff, if I wanted to like flex and just change the color, I could, but primarily I'll just keep them the normal white. So yeah, this is just a little unboxing video. So I haven't bought the BN style front bumper yet, but when I do, I will be color matching my ducktail spoiler. I didn't upload the video of that because for whatever reason there was no audio at all, so like I'm not gonna just upload a video of just no audio. Like I vlogged through the whole thing, the whole install. We drilled the holes in the trunk, we popped rivets in there, we installed the ducktail spoiler, but then when I went to edit it, there was no audio. So that sucked. I couldn't upload that video. But I'm gonna color match my rear lip, side skirts, the whole front bumper, and the ducktail. So the whole car will be white, no more like half and half. I hate the way it looks right now, honestly. And then I'm gonna get the windows tinted, probably 20%. And then, so the windows would be darked out. I'll have the black wheels. I'm not gonna spend money to get brand new wheels just because it is going to be my drift car once I get another daily driver. So I will be going to college in LA, so the IS300 is basically just gonna be my drift car. So I'm gonna get another car, hopefully an S2000. That's the plan. The plan is to get an S2000 once I'm there, and then the IS300 would just be my dedicated drift car. So I'm not gonna get super nice wheels for it. So I'll probably just get spacers just so that the fitment looks a lot better. Then I got the fog lights that are blacked out, the blacked out headlights, and the whole front end will just look super dope, honestly. And then the whole car will basically come together. So the plan is, prom is in May. So I want the car to be done by prom just because I want it to be like in pictures. I just want to have it done by prom. That's just my goal. So I got everything. All I need is the front bumper, and I just need to paint it. And tint's super easy. I could really just go give it to one of my buddies, Kyle. He owns a big detail shop around the town that I live in, and we're actually good buddies. I used to work for him in the summer, and I could just go get the car tinted there whenever I wanted. So tint, not really worried about that. All I'm worried about is the paint, because painting the car is gonna be very expensive. I'm not gonna paint the whole car, but I'm gonna color match it, the Diamond White Pearl Lexus color. And that's a tri-coat paint. That's like a 3-stage paint. That's like super expensive because it has the pearlescent flakes in it. So, and I don't know any shops around here that are gonna want to do it. I already asked one local shop, and they said that they don't do 3-stage coat paints. So I might have to take to like Chicago or Rockford or somewhere around here, and that's gonna be pretty expensive. So what I'm thinking, what I might do, is sand everything down myself. Definitely do like any body work. If there's any divots in the fiberglass, I'll go ahead and get like filler Bondo and sand everything down so it's perfect. That'll bring the price down because that's less work for the paint shop to do. And then get the whole car color matched. And so hopefully the car's done by prom in May. Hopefully it's done. And honestly, I'm dying for it to be warm outside again, because I just want to get back in the shop, want to hang out with all you guys, Lorenz, Sage, Dylan, all like my car friends, because it's been a while. So if you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the install videos for all these things, and just so that you guys are up to date with the build. If this is the first time you've watched, go ahead and watch all the rest of my videos too. I have done a lot of stuff to the IS300 and to one of my super good friend Dylan's Impreza. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Peace.